Hello everyone, we have another lesson for today and our objective for today is to multiply rational algebraic expressions. Okay, so now this is the question. How to multiply rational algebraic expressions? To multiply is to find the product. The product of two rational expressions is the product of the numerators divided by the product of the denominators. In symbols, we have a over b times C over D equals A times C over B times D, where BD is not equal to 0. So, dapat hindi 0 ang nasa denominator or walang 0 sa denominator. Okay, before we start multiplying rational algebraic expressions, let us recall your multiplying fractions. In symbol, we have A over B times C over D equals AC over BD. Or we multiply the numerator to numerator and we also multiply the denominator to denominator. So that is how to multiply fractions. And we're going to apply this in multiplying rational algebraic expressions. Okay, we have some examples in multiplying fractions. Number 1, 1/2 times 3 over 5 equals, we multiply their numerator, so we have 1 times 3. We multiply the denominator, so we have 2 times 5. 1 times 3 equals 3. 2 times 5 equals 10. Therefore, we have 3 over 10. Number 2, 3 over 5 times 2 over 4 equals, we multiply their numerator, so we have 3 times 2 and the denominator 5 times 4. Okay, equals 3 times 2 is 6. 5 times 4 is 20. Okay, now we have 6 over 20. Okay, next we need to simplify since yung 6 at 20 ay may common factor na 2. So, yung 2 na yun, i-divide natin siya both numerator and denominator. So, we have 2 over 2. So, now 6 divided by 2 equals 3. And 20 divided by 2 is 10. So, the answer is 3 over 10. Kapag ang result ay may common factor, kailangan nating i-lowest term. Okay, number 3, 1 over 4 times 5 over 4 equals, we multiply their numerator, so we have 1 times 5. Multiply the denominator, we have 4 times 4. Then it is equal to 1 times 5 equals 5 and 4 times 4 is 16. So we have 5 over 16. So hindi na natin siya kailangang i-simplify since wala naman silang common factor. Okay. Number 4, 6 over 11 times 33 over 12. Okay, first, multiply natin ang numerator. So we have 6 times 33. Multiply their denominator, 11 times 12. Okay, so we have another way on how to simplify this fraction. Okay, to simplify, we have 6 and 12, which is my common factor sila na 6. So, if the common factor is 6, so we can divide it by 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. And 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2. So, therefore, yun yung i-rewrite natin, 1/2 or 1 over 2. And then, 33 and 11, common factor is 11. So, yung common factor, i-divide natin siya, both numerator and denominator. So, 33 divided by 11 is 3. 11 divided by 11 is 1. And then, i-rewrite natin yung result na 3 over 1. Okay, and then we multiply 1/2 times 3 over 1 equals 1 times 3 over 2 times 1. 1 times 3 equals 3 and 2 times 1 equals 2. So therefore, our final answer is 3 over 2. Okay, so that is how to multiply fractions. Remember na kapag may common factor ang result, which is the numerator and denominator, kailangan nating i-lowest term. Okay, now let's proceed. How do we multiply rational algebraic expressions? To multiply rational algebraic expressions, we follow this symbol a over b times c over d equals a times c over bd, which is parang fraction din. Okay, so i-apply natin kung ano yung natutunan natin sa multiplying fraction. Okay, now let's have an example number 1. Find the product of 6x over 4 and 3 over 2x squared. Okay, so this is the solution. Express the numerators and denominators into prime numbers if possible. So we have 6x over 4 times 3 over 2x squared, and then it is equal to, we factor 6x, so the factor of 6x is 2 times 3 times x, and then we have 2. All over the factor of 4 is 2 times 2, and 2x squared is 2 times x since naka-square yung x, which is 2. Okay, next, 2 times 3 times x times 2 all over 2 times 2 times 2 times x times x. Okay, then we're going to simplify. To simplify, ika-cancel natin kung ano yung common sa numerator and denominator. So, we cancel 2. Then, we cancel x. We cancel another 2. Okay, and then kung ano yung natitira, yun yung i-rewrite natin. Sa numerator, ang natitira is 3. So, sa denominator, ang natitira is 2 and then x. Therefore, the final answer is 3 over 2x. Okay, hindi na natin siya ilo-lowest term since wala silang common factor. Okay, next, example number 2. Find the product of 8x over 5y and 5x squared y squared over 12. And this is the solution. Express the numerators and denominators into prime numbers if possible. Okay, 8x over 5y times 5x squared y squared over 12. First, we're going to factor 8, and that is 2 times 2 times 2 times x. And now we factor 5x squared y squared. The factor is 5 times x, which is dalawa yung x and dalawa yung y since naka-square. Then, 5y and the factor of 12 is 2 times 2 times 3. And the next step is to simplify. To simplify, we're going to cancel out the common to numerator and to the denominator. Okay, so in this result, we're going to cancel. We cancel 2 since common siya sa numerator and denominator. Cancel another 2. Cancel 5. Then cancel y. Okay, so ang natitira sa numerator is 2. So, i-rewrite natin ang 2 sa numerator. And then we have x, another x, and another x. Then also we have y in the numerator. And in the denominator, we have 3. And then again, simplify. We have 2. Then x times x times x, so we have 3. So we're going to cube x and y over 3. So therefore, the final answer is 2x cubed y over 3. Okay, next, let's have another example. Example number 3. Find the product of x squared plus 4x plus 3 all over x squared plus x minus 6. And x squared plus 3x minus 10 all over x squared minus 1. And this is the solution. We're going to factor all polynomials if possible. We have x squared plus 4x plus 3 all over x squared plus x minus 6 times x squared plus 3x minus 10 all over x squared minus 1. And we have the solution. To multiply, we're going to multiply this rational algebraic expression, we need to factor all polynomials. The factor of x squared plus 4x plus 3 is x plus 1 times x plus 3. The factor of x squared plus x minus 6 is x minus 2 times x plus 3. And the factor of x squared plus 3x minus 10 is x minus 2 times x plus 5. And the factor of x squared minus 1 is x minus 1 times x plus 1. Okay, and then we simplify. To simplify, we're going to cancel out the common to numerator and denominator. Okay, common is x plus 1, cancel. Another common is x plus 3, cancel. And x minus 2, cancel. Okay, so ang natitira sa numerator is x plus 5. Sa denominator ay x minus 1. Therefore, the answer is x plus 5 over x minus 1. In multiplying rational algebraic expression, we need to recall your different kinds of factoring polynomials. And we're going to apply in multiplying rational algebraic expression, okay? And now this is your activity. You're going to find the product of rational algebraic expressions. Okay, good luck and thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my